Okay, once again, another little treat. We're gonna do the siren again, but this time we're gonna test a little something different. You may have guessed what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you anyway. I'm spoiler for you. There's another speaker I've added. It's now in the hallway of the 4th floor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to initiate. What the heck? I'll do a manual eval. What time is it? 7:14. Yeah, no one's asleep yet. There it is. Just to top things off, that's the last of the fire cable. So yeah, there will be no more speakers going in the house until we move to Florida in July. So unless my parents are going to buy me 3,000 more feet. I didn't quite see this problem in the long run, but I used all 3,000 feet of cable, so I'm screwed. But yeah, thank you.